we can do in case add account in Windows 10 mail and calendar app is not working and how we can fix it. Number one thing you can do is go to your settings and then go to apps. After clicking on app, make sure go to apps and features and then scroll down to mail and calendar. Here, click on it and tap on advanced options. Under advanced options, scroll down a bit and you need to restart the app, reset it. After resetting the app, the changes may apply, but if it doesn't work, then go to Microsoft Store. And here, go to settings and see if the app updates automatic is on or not. If it is turned off, just turn on the option. And then another way is go to search and search for mail and calendar. Then tap on it and see if there is a new update to the app or not. If not, update the app and restart your computer. Another way is go to your home page and search for Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. And then here, type in the command that I'm showing you on the screen and tap on enter. It may take a few seconds for the installation. After the installation is complete, you may restart your operating system and see the changes on your device. And you can see the add account in Windows 10 mail and calendar app. So in this way, you can fix the cannot add account in Windows 10 mail and calendar app. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful to you.